Indoor comfort is one of the most important aspects of enjoying your home. In Eagle, where homeowners experience warm summers, cooler winters, and changing seasonal conditions, windows play a major role in how comfortable living spaces feel throughout the year. When windows are outdated or worn, drafts, temperature swings, and noise can quickly become daily frustrations. Replacement windows offer a powerful solution, helping Eagle residents create a more comfortable and enjoyable home environment. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. One of the most noticeable improvements homeowners experience after replacing old windows is the reduction of drafts. Older windows often develop gaps around frames and seals, allowing outdoor air to enter. Replacement windows are designed with advanced sealing systems that close these gaps. In Eagle homes, this results in fewer cold drafts during winter and less hot air infiltration during summer. Maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Uneven temperatures between rooms are often caused by inefficient windows. Replacement windows help stabilize indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer through the glass and frame. For Eagle residents, this means rooms feel more balanced and comfortable throughout the home, without constant thermostat adjustments. Improving insulation and energy performance. Modern replacement windows include insulated glass and well-designed frames that support better insulation. In Eagle homes, improved insulation helps maintain a comfortable indoor climate while supporting energy efficiency, especially during seasonal temperature shifts. Enhancing natural light without discomfort. Replacement windows allow homeowners to enjoy natural light without the downsides associated with older glass. In Eagle residences, modern windows brighten interiors while minimizing glare and unwanted heat, creating a more pleasant living environment. Reducing outside noise for a quieter home. Comfort also includes peace and quiet. Older windows often allow noise from traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity to pass through easily. Replacement windows with improved glass construction help reduce sound transmission. For Eagle homeowners, this creates calmer indoor spaces ideal for relaxation and focus. Supporting better indoor air quality. Poorly sealed windows can allow dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants to enter the home. Replacement windows create a tighter barrier against these contaminants. In Eagle residences, improved sealing supports cleaner indoor air and a healthier home environment. Improving comfort in high-use living areas. Living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens are spaces where comfort matters most. Replacement windows help regulate temperature and airflow in these areas. For Eagle homeowners, these improvements are felt daily, making routine activities more enjoyable. Reducing strain on heating and cooling systems. When windows perform efficiently, heating and cooling systems operate more effectively. Replacement windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures in Eagle homes, reducing wear on HVAC systems and supporting consistent comfort. Professional installation makes the difference. The benefits of replacement windows depend on proper installation. Professional installers ensure correct fit, sealing, and alignment. For Eagle residents, professional installation ensures replacement windows deliver lasting comfort and performance. A more comfortable home in Eagle. Replacing old windows is an investment in everyday comfort. By eliminating drafts, stabilizing temperatures, reducing noise, and improving air quality, replacement windows transform how a home feels. For Eagle homeowners, modern replacement windows provide a comfortable, peaceful living environment that can be enjoyed year-round.